The US dollar dominates global trade because over the past 80 years, it has become the backbone of the entire world economy, trusted more than any other currency due to its stability, long history, and the strength of the United States financial system. After World War II, most countries were economically weak and needed a strong, reliable currency to rebuild. So they agreed at the Bretton Woods Conference to use the US dollar as the world's main trading currency, giving it a permanent advantage that continues today. Almost all major commodities, especially oil through the petrodollar system, are priced in US dollars, meaning any country that wants to buy energy, raw materials, machinery, medicines, or global goods must first obtain dollars, creating a continuous worldwide demand that no other currency can match. Nations store billions or even trillions of dollars as foreign reserves because these reserves help stabilize their economies, defend their currencies, and make it easier to trade and borrow money internationally. The United States has the largest, safest, and most liquid financial markets, which attract investors, central banks, and big companies from around the world, all of whom trust U.S. government bonds and banks more than those of any other country. Most international loans, travel payments, shipping insurance, and banking transactions are processed in dollars because using a single global currency reduces risk, avoids exchange rate problems, speeds up trade, and keeps costs lower for businesses. Global organizations like the IMF, World Bank, and international trade networks operate heavily using dollars, which forces developing nations to borrow, repay, and trade in dollars, deepening the currency's global reach. In times of crisis, whether it's war, recession, inflation, political uncertainty, or financial market collapse, investors and governments move their money into dollars because they believe it will protect their value, making the dollar a safe haven currency that actually becomes stronger during chaos. Over time, global supply chains, international contracts, shipping routes, and cross-border banking systems have been built entirely around the dollar, creating a network so large and interconnected that switching to another currency would be extremely costly, risky, and slow. Even rising powers like China, Russia, and groups such as BRICS cannot replace the dollar easily because their currencies lack global trust, have stricter rules, smaller financial markets, and they're not widely accepted for trade. All these factors together make the US dollar the center of global trade, holding a unique position where its value, stability, and worldwide dependence feed into each other, ensuring that it remains the world's dominant currency for the foreseeable future.